It's another beautiful morning here in the Canary Island, in Fuerteventura, and we are at the dunes today. Welcome back to the channel, fam. This is our last country of our European summer tour. We are in the beautiful Canary Island, Fuerteventura. So after we landed at the airport, we picked up our car from Top Car Hire. The process was very simple and it was very affordable. So we decided to get the rental car because it's the easiest way to get around the island on your own time. Trust me, I would highly recommend getting a car to get all those scenic views around the island. So it took us a little bit over an hour to get to our hotel because we were staying on the southern part of the island. But I didn't mind the drive because it was so scenic and beautiful. So we decided to go with an all-inclusive Hyatt property. We didn't hate our time here, but we definitely wouldn't recommend it based on two reasons: the food and the location, especially if you don't drive. I won't deny that this property is beautiful, especially the lobby area. It is very modern, but they kept the Spanish style throughout the rest of the property.
They don't have a lift, right? Nice, strong guy.
As usual guys, here is a quick room tour. This room is not as modern as the rooms that we will normally stay in, but I definitely like the Spanish elements of this room. But the thing that I love the most about this room is the epic view that we woke up to every morning.
Crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it.
So after we dropped off our bags in the room, we decided to take a walk to the beach. I was disappointed because I really wish this beach was closer to the room. I will say my first impression of Fuerteventura is wow. The scenery is epic, the roads are beautiful, the beaches are pristine, and the people are very friendly. Fuerteventura is not the most popular of the Canary Islands, but it is definitely underrated. So we just arrived in Spain today. For the first time after vacation, I'm getting some sand between my toes. We're in Fuerteventura and the water is looking beautiful. The waves are a little rough, but it's a different change of scene from London and Dublin. So the next morning we decided to go to Coralejo, which is in the northern part of the island, to see the domes and the beaches. We didn't do any tours on this trip, but if you're up to it, you can definitely do a ATV tour. It's another beautiful morning here in the Canary Island, in Fuerteventura, and we are at the dunes today. The sand is white. The ocean is blue. It's very blue. Different shades of blue. There are some hotels along the ocean also. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Welcome to Fuerteventura. So Fuerteventura is the second largest island of the Canary Island, and it's about 100 kilometers away from the north coast of Africa. Yeah, Africa is it's very near, you know. It's somewhere across the ocean. So we're very close. So our next stop will be in Africa. When we get there, we will definitely let you guys know. But it's a beautiful day in the Canary Island. First impression, it's a beautiful place. The people, they're very friendly. The roads, I must say the roads are beautiful. Trust me, I love the roads. But if you're not, I would say, a experienced driver, I would say some of the roads, yeah, you got to be real careful on, because there's no bar in some of the roads, and there are a lot of cliffs, depending on the route that you take. But otherwise from that, it's very beautiful. The weather is awesome, and yeah, we're having fun, and we'll give you guys a little more info on the hotels around later on in the video. Enjoy these amazing views of the Coralejo Dunes. After being in the dunes, we were hungry, so we decided to check out a pretty cool restaurant. And the food was excellent, and the customer service was top notch. I would say the food prices in the northern part of the island is a lot cheaper than the southern part of the island. So we decided to walk around the town for a bit and to get some souvenir for the fam before going to our next stop. The town of Coralejo is very beautiful. It is filled with plenty restaurants and shops.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up a lot of friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up.
So on our way back to our hotel, the GPS gave us a different route. I must say, the scenery was epic. Before coming to the Canary Island, I did not expect to see this kind of views. Come along with us on this epic scenic drive.
And see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but
So we came across a monument of two kings that fought against strangers that would try to conquer the island.
you and I, we got it.
So after we left the monument, we went to the old capital of Fuerteventura to take in the views.
You and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon.
We stopped at a very popular church we saw on Instagram. I will put the name of it down below.
Limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
Fuerteventura is one of those places that you will hate or love. But we definitely love our stay here and we will definitely be back.
We got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times.
Fuerteventura is one of those places that you would definitely have to see yourself. We have watched many vlogs, but we have never seen anyone travel on these scenic routes. Even though the island is so dry, the scenery is such a beauty to see. If you're still watching at this point, please smash that like button, comment down below and let us know what you think about Fuerteventura. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. You can also check our other contents out. So guys, we just came from the old capital of Fuerteventura. I'll put the name below. And I must say, I've driven around the world, many countries. But this one, the roads are pristine. But when you're thinking about cliffs, man, these roads are dangerous. And at times, they get so small. But the roads are beautiful. Man. So my advice to anyone that's coming here, if you are not an experienced driver, if you're afraid of heights, do not rent a vehicle. I would suggest you come with someone who is an experienced driver, and also you could stay at a resort, schedule a tour, let them pick you up, drop you off. Because I'm telling you, These roads are dangerous. We're out here. I am walking up to a lookout spot. It's a good distance up, but I think I'll make it. I'll show you guys where I'm going. I think this is a spot that you can look at the stars at night. Look at this view. There is so many hills and valley, but this country, this island is absolutely beautiful. Almost made it. Woo. I am here now. The king has arrived. Look at this view. Oh my word. A complete 360 view. This place is jaw-dropping. I guess there's a place in Fuerteventura that they do stargazing. I'm not sure if this is a spot that they do stargazing, but it looks like it. Man. Look at that crater up there. This is amazing. Look at the roads going down. Look at roads going that way. The roads are, I love it. So we got back to the hotel very late that evening. So we got ready and we went for dinner. Here is a quick view of the hotel lobby. After dinner, we just went back to our room and closed it out for the night. We got up this morning, we had breakfast, and then we hit the road because today is beach day. The Canary Islands is known to have pristine beaches with blue waters. Guess what, guys? Come along with us on this journey. The beach that we are going today is about 10 minutes drive from our hotel. It is one of the best beaches in the southern part of the island.
own doubts.
Good morning, guys. It's another beautiful day here in the Canary Island, and today is beach day. One thing about the beaches in the Canary Island, well, I know Fuerteventura for sure, the sand is so soft and white. The water is so blue. It has different variation of blue.
This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free. Let's go, let's be free. Be free.
So I didn't get to record a lot on the beach or take any drone shots because a lot of people was out in their birthday suit. So my word of advice is, if you're in the Canary Island and you want to take drone shots, please go to the beach very early. I will leave the name of the city that we're in down below because everything is close by, the hotels, the restaurants, and the beach. So if you don't plan to rent a car, this is a good place that you can stay. So after we left the beach, we stopped at a restaurant close by. The ambience was great and the food was wicked. If you're ever in this area, I highly recommend you stopping by this restaurant. The food was a solid 10 out of 10. We stopped at this gelato shop right beside the restaurant, and man, it was wicked. So all good things must come to an end, and this was the end of beach day and our trip in Fuerteventura, and we were heading back to our hotel to have dinner. I must say this island caught us by surprise because we didn't know we would have loved it so much. It's our last night in the Canary Islands and we're about to have some dinner. Look at that view. Man, I'm gonna miss waking up to this view. So it's, I would say, the end of our vacation for this country. But we're moving to another time zone. We will be back Fuerteventura Until next time, fam. Peace, one love, and see you in Africa.